Well, hello everyone. Just wanted to give an update on the 3D model for the suspension for the M3 Lee. I created some more lights in my scene so you can see the details a little bit better. But yeah, it's coming along. I got the top finished, and I don't know if I had these extended all the way out or if they were just to here last time, but I pretty much completed the main frame part of it. The back of it's pretty much just a mirrored copy of this outer part, but without all the ribs and everything, because that's what it's going to glue to. There is going to be a 90-degree offshoot here where the piece is glued onto the hull. I haven't done that yet, I guess. I forgot about it till now. But starting to look like something. Also completed the roller mounts, the front and the rear, for the return rollers. And this is the return roller right here, actually. So it's coming along. It's got that nice little detail here, and I did bevel these a little bit. They're kind of 45-degree bevels. I'll end up putting some more vertices in here and kind of rounding that out a little bit better, and then use the smoothing tool to get rid of all these ridges and everything. But that is, can we zoom past that? Oh, it's too close. I guess I didn't remember that it does the image on the backside too. But there's our main suspension part there. I'll get to work on this 90-degree angle part where it glues to the hull, and then it's going to be starting the suspension here for the wheels. So I don't know what I just did there, but I didn't mean to do it. No harm. Oh, I selected my main lamp is what I did. So select none there again. But not quite half, maybe, yeah, that's probably half done, I'd say. The hardest part, I think, is going to be for me is the openings for the wheels. I'm going to have to think about that. But I'll end up. Nice thing about this software is it's got a mirror modifier. There's a line going through the part here, and there's a mirror modifier, as you can see right here. And I'm just building off this one side to the right here. Everything that I've created has been on this side, and then it automatically mirrors it so that it gives you the perfect what do you call it, symmetry? I don't know. I'm not an engineer, so I don't know the technical terms, but yeah, it's kind of neat that way. So all I had to do was build this side. It automatically generated this side. Same with the ribs. Same with the roller. Well, actually, this roller is one cylinder. I didn't mirror that, but everything else is pretty much mirrored. So that it gets, I want it to be the same on both sides. So that's update number 2, and I'll update you again as soon as I get a little further with it. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.